Dude, you suck ass.
Dude, it's cool.
Oh my god.
What are you doing? You're videoing, are you?
You just screwed it up, you.
I didn't even know you were. I thought you said do a couple practice things, and yeah, you're videotaping me. Flip it back. No, leave it like that.
Celebrate good nuts, come on!
Can't do it with your board. Your board sucks.
It don't suck. It's more
To
expensive.
me, it does. Okay.
$119 Plan B
Well,
board.
I can't. I'm not used
Against Alliance. I don't know.
What I'm saying is I'm not used to it. My board's quieter and smoother.
Yeah, it's pretty freaking smooth, all right.